Okay, dear ladies and gentlemen, as we know, education is necessary because education is the thing that can influence many things, such as economy, character, humanism, and so on. Money can buy something, but it doesn't guarantee at all if money can make a better world. On the other hand, education can make a better situation or a better world because education can influence the quality of people awareness and people characteristic. So here we disagree about this motion if money is more essential than education. I have two arguments that I want to tell you. The first is about people awareness and the second is about the nation development benchmarks. The first, people awareness. Education can make people more respect with other people. People can build their characteristic to be better. People who have a high education know how to respect other, how to communicate with other, how to treat other as well as possible. And people with high education also can take the initiative to do something good to help the society to make a better world. And according to the psychologists, the problem now is the rich people often underestimate the poor people. You know, it's so that having a lot of money, having much money doesn't guarantee at all to make a better world, even underestimating other. According to CNN in 2020, there are more than 3,500 community in university. They focus on social and helping the society, and they have a good activities such as being volunteer and then combining donation to help others and so on. You know, it's proof that the same education level, background, the same education purpose can build something good. Let's say the people in university or the student in university can build a more communities to help the society better and better. You know, the higher education, of people can influence the higher initiative to do the good things also. Um, like the like what I said before, doing the good things is not only increasing the people awareness but also can inviting others by giving example, like making the good communities. Let's take the example in Yogyakarta, there is Rumah Singgah, and then in Jakarta there is Saja, Sekolah Alternatif Anak Jalanan. And all of those schools are focused on the student or the children in the road who has no chance to go to school, seller, busker, and so on. You know, it was built because of the same education level of people awareness in university. It's really incredible. And besides, education also influence the economy, especially like in Jakarta there is pelatihan anak jalanan. It is the training place to improve children on the road creativity. It can they can make something in their creative business and then they can sell it. You know, of course, it helps a lot to stabilize their economic condition. And even if rich people can build this kind of place, or we can say that to build this place or something good, we need money. But it doesn't guarantee at all if rich people can build the same thing to make a better world. But the people who have education level, who have education, will have more aware, more respect to other. They can find the side solutions, such as like when they want to make like this, they can make proposal to the government and then combining the donation to make the things that can influence to the society itself. So the main point here is it's not about how much money people have, but how people can contribute their money to help the society, to help others in helping the society to make the condition better. And my second point is the nation development benchmark. Education has a large contribution in improving the quality of nation. Education is the source of progress for nation because with a good condition, the quality of human resources can be improved. human resources are the best asset as the main asset to build the progress of the nation. As stated by our educational minister Mandi Makarim in Educational Festival of Mata Garuda Edufair 2020, he said that the progress of country depends on the progress of development. The progress of development depends on the human resources, and the progress of human resources depends on the education. So let's see how important education to the progress of country. You know, it has a connection between the education and the progress of country because we can say it is a big contribution to our country. And as we know, education also can influence the progress of country, especially in economy. It is helping in countries in the whole world. According to Kompas.com, there are 5 big countries that has a better quality education that can influence a better quality of their condition of economy, such as UK, USA, Canada, and so on. And according to Organization for Economic Development, the most stabilized economic country depends on the better quality of education itself. Like what I said before, 5 big country, what I said, has a good quality of education. They support their education become better and better. And according to Detik.com, in that country, in the big country, in the developed country, there are more than 65% people or the society are studying in university. Now let's imagine if there are many people can study in university, of course the level of quality education become better and better, and of course it can influence the economic society, the economic condition, the economic process in the country. So the main point here is not about money that can influence the development of country. Money cannot be guaranteed at all can influence the development of country. Even if some people have much money, it doesn't mean that it can stabilize the economic sector in that country. The rich people also will contribute nothing when they don't have the initiative to help others that influence the country itself. So, because education has really a good connection to the progress of country, it's very good. It is very necessary to be applied. And so, because education can improve the people awareness, like what I said before, and then can be the nation development benchmark in economic condition, we 100 disagree about the motion. Thank you.
As my first speaker said before, that education brings many impacts, such as in economic. So for this, I have two arguments to prove that we disagree with this motion. Okay, for the first is in economic too, and the second point in health. Okay, for the first, education can help economic growth. Education can help to increase the welfare of life. A role of education in one's is to improve the standard of life. Prosperous society occurs when people are happy to get the education, and after that they are expert and certified. After that they look for a job and they get salary, and after that they can fulfill what they need, and they can enjoy the facilities they should. As report in Fintech, that people who have a good education background, they have 25% higher income than those who do not. As we know that companies, when every time they open job vacancies with requirements certified in higher education. As we know that Indomaret and Alfamart, that spread widely in Indonesia, they always open job vacancies with requirements minimum certified in senior high school. So here we can see that how important education is. Not only we can look for a job when we have a good education. It will bring us to have good mindset. When we have a good mindset, it will help us to open new job for others, and it will help us in long term. Yes, money can buy everything that we want, everything what we need. But here, money cannot buy what is in our minds. Money can lose, but knowledge will not. So, here we can say that education is very important in our life. The better condition of education, the better condition of economy will be. Okay, the second point is in health. Education will minimize the risk of children's health. Family brings a big contribution in children's life. So of course we know that education background in family is very necessary. Children from a family which has a good education background, they have higher a chance to live better. With good knowledge, mom will treat children as good as possible. And contrary from it, when a mother has a low level of understanding in knowledge, it will give a big risk for children. For example, when children get an accident, a good mom or a mom who has a good understanding or good knowledge, she will know what she should take or should face. But contrary for it, a mom who doesn't have a good knowledge, she will be panic. Okay, just as simple like that. Even if your mom have a lot of money, but it will be useless when she cannot treat us as a children. The wealth will be nothing. As research from University of Gadjah Mada, a mom who has a good knowledge will treat children five times better than mom who doesn't have a good knowledge. Okay, from here, we can conclude that a mother who has good knowledge is a big power in family. An educational background in family is very necessary in getting great life. From those all, we know that education gives many impacts such as humanism, economic for individuals and nations, and then health conditions. From what we said before, we know that education is necessary in our life. So, we 100% disagree with this motion. Thank you.